Quite the look. Hey guys, or hey y'all. So today I am starting the process of straightening my hair. I randomly decided that that's what I wanted to do. I'm going to wash my hair right now and deep condition. I'm going to deep condition overnight and then blow dry my hair, have it straightened by the end of tomorrow. I am high-key terrified because the last time I tried to do this, it didn't turn out great, and I also didn't use a high heat, so that's why. Because I am terrified of heat damage, and the reason why my hair is up and not moving is because I had my hair in a puff for a while, and there's a ridiculous amount of gel in my hair. I need to wash that out. I don't even know if it's gonna be able to come out. I am so nervous to do this. I look crazy, but I just washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I'm just gonna deep condition overnight. Like I said, I'm gonna wake up as early as I can tomorrow, blow dry my hair, and take a break, and then straighten it. I'm so scared. Yeah, this is the do. I'm just doing this just because I do not want my hair to be leaking all night. So I saw that finally Amber had a wash day routine, and I tried to buy all the products that she used. I'll have that linked in the cards up here, I believe. And the deep conditioner is honestly one of my favorite things in that routine because it leaves my hair super soft and I love it. Hi guys. Oh, I look bad. Good morning. So I just washed out my deep conditioner and they detangled it a little bit, and I actually was trying to see if I could find a detangling product. I'm gonna quickly go to Walmart and see. If not, I'm just gonna use the little bit that I do have here at home and then get on with this process because I need to be done by like 6 and it's 9:42. Okay, so I'm just wetting my hair so that I can put the detangling product through my hair so that it makes the process a lot easier. And I'm sorry if I suck at these. I haven't done a voiceover in a very long time. All the products that I'm using will be in the description box. This is just a detangling product that I got from SHEIN Moisture. Just running that through my hair, combing my fingers through it and brushing it out. Just twisting my hair to get it out of the way so that I can work on the other sections without it getting tangled. And then I'm just going to show you guys the exact same thing that I just did on this side, on the other side, just in case you guys wanted to see it again. I also added some shea butter to my hair just for the extra moisture, and as you can see I did blow dry some parts of my hair, and I'm just showing you how I blow dry my hair. Don't worry, I'm not being rough with my hair, it's just the video is sped up so it just looks like I'm being pretty rough, but I'm pretty gentle with my hair because I do not want it to break. And I did review this product on my channel, it'll be up in the cards. straightening my hair. I just use this random straightener that my mom has. We've had it for a very long time, and I think we need a new one because it does not straighten my hair at all. And I am pretty hesitant because I do not want heat damage at all. So the rest of this video is me just finishing up straightening my hair, and at the end you will see that I just put it into a little bun because it literally just looked like I blow dried my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future content. Love you guys. Bye.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
You're my back.
It's a waste of time.
Not straightening.
Nope.